So today I'm going to try and repair the screen on my Yamaha YPG-525, which is pretty much the same as the 625, but doesn't have the weighted keys. So if you're having this issue, turn on the screen, half of it shows, gets lines, you mess with the contrast and it doesn't make a difference. I've seen this as a huge problem. Lots of people having this issue, and I haven't seen a great solution other than taking it apart, buying a new screen for 150 bucks and installing it. And so I'm going to try and avoid having to buy a new screen and see if I can repair this one, but we shall see. There we go. That little connector right there that needs to come off. Some tape that's holding it in place. And then we should be able to pull this LCD screen out. So you have to raise this little, kind of like a latch. You raise that up and the rest of it should be able to come out. There we go. So that raises up and that allows these two to come out.